Hello, my name is Angus McGhee.
And my name is Thomas Hayes. Welcome to our video on how mummies were preserved and how a human body decomposes. In today's video, the key concepts are how a body decomposes, how a body is preserved, how and why the Egyptians mummified their dead, the chemistry of mummification, and why body preservation is still important to modern society. The process of a body decomposing is very unique. Within seconds, brain activity surges, then stops. Body temperature drops at an average of 1.6 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. Within minutes, the body cells begin to die off due to the lack of oxygen. Within hours, rigor mortis sets in, which is a stiffening of muscles due to the buildup of calcium. Eventually, muscles relax, causing the release of any feces or urine in the body. The skin on the body also starts to shrink, and gravity pulls down on the blood, causing skin to look pale. Within days, enzymes in your organs start digesting themselves, causing the body to turn green. Within weeks, bugs start to eat your body. An example is how maggots will hatch inside the body and eat 60% of the body within a week. Also, within the weeks of a body decomposing, the skin color starts to turn purple, then turns black as bacteria continues to digest your body. Hair is also falling out during the process. It takes roughly 4 months for a body to be fully decomposed and nothing but the skeleton is left. Preservation is defined as an action to keep something safe from decomposition. Artificial body preservation occurs due to the technique of embalming. Embalming is preserving a corpse from decay. One modern technique is the physical process of implanting and embalming fluids into the body. The injection of embalming fluids are injected into an artery while blood is drained from a vein or the heart. The embalming fluid is typically a mixture of formaldehyde or other chemicals in water. The second part of modern embalming is cavity embalming. A trocar, a long pointed metal tube attached to a suction hose, is inserted close to the navel. This tool is used to puncture organs and remove gases and liquids from the body. A cavity fluid is then ejected into the torso. Depending on the strength of the chemicals, humidity, and temperature surrounding the body will determine how long the body is preserved for. Incisions and holes that are made due to embalming are sewn up, closed. After all this, the body is then washed and dried. This is how modern preservation of a body works.
Preservation of mummies in ancient Egypt. First, we're going to be talking about why they preserved these bodies. They believed that once the body decayed, that the soul would decay with it, and if they provided the corpse with everything it needed for the afterlife, it would be able to resurrect. So the process of mummification usually starts off by removing all the organs from the body. This helps to get rid of all the moisture that can help decay the body, and also drying solutions are added. And once the body is completely rid of all moisture, long strips of linen are carefully wrapped around the body with other solutions added to that, so no outside moisture or any harmful chemicals are exposed to the body. And after that, the body is placed inside of a tomb. So for the chemistry of preserving the bodies, natron, which is a mixture of sodium carbonate and also sodium bicarbonate, and sodium chloride and sodium sulfate, that was added to the hollowed out bodies. And what this did is it helps just rid all the moisture from the body. After that, some antimicrobial compounds are stuffed into the body. Once they started wrapping the corpse up in linen, after every few layers, they would add oils, resins, and balms This would help form a watertight seal, so no moisture would reach the body after it's wrapped up.
The biggest reason why body preservation is still important to modern society is that it allows us to postpone funerals for several days for our loved ones that have passed. It can also help us bring home soldiers that have fallen overseas and allow them to have a proper funeral and allow their families to have a proper goodbye. In today's video, we learned about how a body decomposes, how a body is preserved, how and why Egyptians preserved their dead, the chemistry of mummification, and why body preservation is still important to modern society.
Thank you for watching our video.
Thank you for watching our video, and have a great day.